Alright my folks, welcome back to another video. I should be hyped. I'm not feeling too hyped. You don't want to fake the funk. So today we're going to be timing the
and touching each other inappropriately.
timing the engine and slowly putting it back together. I wanted to save this video. I don't care how long it is. We're going to do an actual timing sequence, so you guys who are out there and not watching other videos going, you know, no matter how long it is, it's not gonna be hyperlapse. You're gonna watch the whole process. So let me get this oil pan on, tighten other things up so we can get the back cover on and start putting these chains on. All 6,000 miles, as Adam says. I told y'all we want to go hyperlapse for the timing of the motor. So you get hyperlapse on the rest. Now I need to find these other O-rings, put it in here, so we can slap the timing cover on. Oh, look how pretty this thing is. Look how pretty that is.
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure they can't even see the fucking timing cover right now.
That is hideous.
I know. For you it is. but for me, I love it.
So your new timer?
Fuck no. I remember doing all boys motor. Fuck that.
Lube.
Record, that's the first thing you said.
Better like that, eh? You can. Oh God, don't do that. Yeah, I got that. Hell yes. And we got taken out by the top of the box. He tried to close it with it open.
That door gets everywhere.
So what we're doing right now is the timing chain tensioners for the camshafts. We're going to take those out and replace it with new ones. Go ahead and install the cams and go from there. So that's the goal. So we'll put you.
And again, he just brought one up there that's.
That's one that's over here. So I can let this go, right? I ain't gonna say why it's fun, but it's fun.
It's fun because you.
With the
Yeah.
coming down, going crazy, so we can. Seems like it's been winter.
Well, yeah, I gotta get this daughter.
I'd be working on something, and he'd be playing out, you know, over by his band shit, and all of a sudden I just get, you know, the goddamn shamal at me.
Okay, over there, there's a, well, this is one.
He's like, I'll pay for your. He's like,
Have the bolts for it, though.
you don't have to get any units from that.
Wheel rail and shit on it.
All right, so it's put together. All right, you see, we have one little piece to get, you know, put the belt on, but it's pretty much together. When I painted the timing cover and the cam phaser covers, I was pretty sure it was pretty, but now looking at it, I agree with Bobby. It ain't that pretty. It's just not. But hey, it's painted, it's done, and we're about ready to go into the car. So U plugs, the bracket for the alternator, and she's ready, pretty much. So hey, I'm not gonna apologize for a long video because we have about 3 hours of footage. I'm gonna try and chop it down to at least 45 minutes, and we're gonna go from there. All right, but specific video on the timing process and put the motor back together, pretty much. Well, the front of the motor, I'm gonna say. Me over here at Garage Mods and Bills. This man here from Slide Kings, go check out his channel. Please go check out his channel. All you drifty boys, that's where the content's at. All right, raw footage. All right, that's the way he give it to you. And this man over here, busy right now, you know, doing this thing. He just ate, so he looks slow. Hey, I appreciate y'all watching and coming on this journey. But hey,
like, subscribe, and comment.
What he said. It's together, hopefully.
Spit on your fucking window.
You're spinning the windshield, bro. But hey, we're gonna get it back together, get it in the car, and y'all get this in the G35 on the street again. Appreciate y'all. Any negative thoughts I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south.